If you're tired of waiting for clients to magically find you online, I'm going to show you a simple funnel that consistently books 5 sales calls every week without spending a dime on ads. And stick with me till the end, because once you understand this funnel, you'll never have to worry about where your next client's going to come from. If you're new to my channel, my name is Peter Scott. I'm the founder of Fearless Coach Academy, where we have trained thousands of coaches over the last 10 years to launch and scale their coaching business. Step number 1 in this simple funnel is to create a high converting lead magnet. Now, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is really simple. It's something you give away for free in exchange for somebody's contact information. So think about like a downloadable PDF. It could be a checklist, it could be a script, it could be a cheat sheet, it could be a template, it could be anything that is a complete solution to a narrow problem. Now, I'm not going to spend time going into what makes a great lead magnet in this video, because my last video in this series went over that, but just know that it's got to be a complete solution to a narrow problem. Remember that people don't want generic newsletters. They don't want to opt in for updates from your website because nobody cares about a newsletter from you or from me. What they care about is their problem. So think about your niche, think about the problem that your coaching solves, and come up with one lead magnet that solves one of the problems that your coaching faces. Because if it's in alignment, if it's relevant to your coaching, it's going to, of course, get people interested in working with you after that. So step number 1, before you worry about the funnel and the emails, which I'll go over in this video, is to come up with the idea and create the lead magnet. And with AI and ChatGPT today, it's really easy to create incredibly useful and valuable lead magnets. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is to set up a simple opt-in funnel. Now, we do not need to overcomplicate this. A funnel is really simple. Think about a funnel as wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. So the whole idea of a funnel is that you send traffic to the top, the wide part of the funnel, and they opt in, they download your thing, and they start getting emails from you, and they get invited to schedule a call with you, because your sales call is what will create a client. So a simple opt-in funnel is 2 pages. Comment 2 pages below. The first page is the landing page or the opt-in. So if you've ever downloaded anything online, if you're watching my video right now, you've probably downloaded some of my lead magnets. You've done this already. You know what this is. It's a simple landing page. It has a headline that makes a promise or talks about a problem. It has an image of the lead magnet, and it has a simple box where people can enter their name and their email address. And when they do that and they see value, now they're on your email list. So that's the first page of the funnel. And actually later in this video, I'm going to share with you the link that is to our highest converting lead magnet and to the exact funnel that we've used to generate millions in our coaching business, so that you can just reverse engineer it and copy it and make it your own. The second page of the funnel is the thank you page. So think the first page is the landing page, the second page is the thank you page. A huge mistake that coaches make on the thank you page is they miss the biggest opportunity they have to build a relationship with their new lead. What they often do is just say, thank you for downloading it, check your email address for the PDF. What a huge oversight, because you never have this much of somebody's attention after they've just given you their contact information. So a better way of doing this, and what you will see when you download one of our lead magnets, is that we have a video. It's a short 2 to 3 minute video that basically says something like this. Hey, congratulations on downloading your resource. It's going to show up in your email inbox in about 5 minutes. If you've downloaded this, it probably means that you want help with launching or growing your coaching business. And if that's the case, then I simply invite you to schedule a complimentary business brainstorm call with me and my team. What did I do right there? In the first 15, 20 seconds, I basically just said, hey, the thing that you're looking for will be in your inbox in a few minutes, but don't go check it yet, because if you wanted this, you probably really want this. So the idea of this funnel is to connect it to your paid offer. That's really, really important. A huge mistake that people make with this funnel is they create a great landing page. They get opt-ins. They get 20 or 30% of people opting in, giving them their contact information, but they miss the opportunity to get them to take the next step in the process, which for 99.9% of you watching this is to book a call. And every single week when we promote a lead magnet to our email lists or to our social media, we get sales calls booked every single week. And it's an incredible pipeline of consistent leads and consistent calls. But you've got to have that video, and you've got to have a simple way for them to schedule a time on your calendar on that thank you page. Again, if you want to reverse engineer and experience this funnel, then click the link in the description below or just comment funnel and my team will get it to you. The third step of this funnel is to automate the follow-up with what I call the new lead warmer. And the new lead warmer is a series of 6 emails that every new lead gets the first 14 days they come into your world. So a big mistake coaches make is they set up a funnel and they have a high converting lead magnet and some people opt in for it and they send them one email and then that person never hears from them again. How would you, this just blows my mind that this happens. So they go, hey, here's the one email of the thing that you downloaded. Good luck. If you want to work with me, here's a link to my website or here's a link to book a call. Of course, the majority of people aren't going to do anything on that first email. That's why the fortune is in the follow-up. And in fact, 14 days is not nearly a long enough window to follow up with people, but that's the first most critical window of time that you have to build know, like, and trust. So during our 14 days, we actually have a series of 6 emails. One of them delivers the lead magnet. 2 of the emails actually ask somebody to reply to the email so that we start a conversation with them. And 3 of the emails offer a video that we call a hot button video on a painful problem that they want solved to continue to add value, to showcase my expertise, my know-how, and to deliver that know, like, and trust so that there's a higher likelihood that at the end somebody will book a call. So really important that you set up that new lead warmer. You have those 6 emails. If you download one of our lead magnets, you'll experience my email, so you can just filter me into a different folder so I don't flood your inbox if you want to, and you can look at those and reverse engineer those. Really, really critical step of the process. The fourth is to fill your funnel organically. I promised at the beginning of this video that you don't need to run paid ads to generate leads, and that's true. Of course, if you run paid ads and you have a good budget, you're going to get a lot more leads, but I recommend every one of our Fearless Coach Academy students start organically. So start by posting on your own social media platform. Maybe it's your LinkedIn profile or your Facebook or your Instagram. You can post inside a Facebook group if you have that, or someone else's Facebook group. You can promote it in so many different places, but you can do that organically. I mean, you can do that on your YouTube channel. Let's say that you have a YouTube channel like I do, and you publish a weekly video like I do. Some of my videos reference one of our lead magnets. So if you want to do that, then you're going to get leads every single week and every single day through that process. Obviously, when you're running ads and you have joint venture partners and affiliates, then you're going to get a lot more traffic. But for now, could you get 5 sales calls per week with just that strategy? Absolutely, when you know how to create that organic audience. So that's the 4th step. The 5th step is to implement, this is the final step of the funnel, is to implement the 80% sold sales process before the call. So think about the funnel is designed to generate the lead. Your email system and your social media content is designed to nurture that person and then get them 80% sold before they show up on the sales call with you. There's nothing worse than doing it with a sales call, having somebody show up and go, hold on, who are you? Why am I on this call? Versus someone who said, oh my gosh, Peter, your YouTube channel is amazing. I've watched 7 of your videos in the last 48 hours. I'm really interested in what it looks like to work with you. Tell me more. That's a much better call to have, right? Now, if I wasn't good at follow-up and if I wasn't nurturing those people, then they would have a high level of resistance and a low level of trust. So you got to make sure to implement that 80% sold process. That's not just for nurturing, but also in your actual sales process, right? When you do your sales process, you want to ensure that you're having people watch a video to prepare for that call or review your PDF overview of your coaching program, right? Because you're priming them to take that next step when you do have that sales call. So that's the simple funnel. I'm not going to overcomplicate it in this video. I think too many of YouTubers and coaches and marketers out there are making it way too complicated, which has created so much unnecessary overwhelm and frustration. Tech is easy. Funnels are easy. A lot of it is just like if you're a student of mine in Fearless Coach Academy, we have everything set up as a template where we can click a button and we clone and install our entire lead gen system in our sales funnel for you. It's paint by numbers. You literally swipe off, our headline, you put on yours, and you've got a working funnel. So don't sleep on this strategy. Sure, if you get a referral from time to time, that's great, but referrals are inconsistent. And there's nothing better than have online funnels and leads coming in every day and sales calls being booked every week to just regulate your nervous system and actually scale this coaching business. So as I said, if you want to check out our highest converting lead magnet, you can opt in and reverse engineer the funnel. Just click the link in the description below or comment funnel and my team will get it to you. And as always, if this was useful, just subscribe to my channel. That way you never miss a future video. And make sure to check out my next video up here, which is going to reveal the 5 most common lead generation mistakes. Click up here and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.